Stabiliser is part of the balance range. It's used as a chlorine protector. If you're not using a stabilised chlorine in your swimming pool, for example you use liquid chlorine or calcium hypochlorite, a chlorine that you need to mix with water before you add it to the pool, then you need to add stabiliser to your water to protect that chlorine. Without the stabiliser in the water, the chlorine is rapidly broken down by the UV rays from the sun. So adding stabiliser to the water will ensure that your chlorine lasts much, much longer in your pool water. How do you add this to the pool? It's probably one of my least favourite products for adding, but if you follow my tips, you'll have no trouble. You do need to mix the ones in the bag here. They get mixed with water prior to addition through the skimmer. Now if you use hot water rather than cold water, it will mix better. However, you may still find that it goes a bit lumpy and crunchy when you mix it with the water. If that happens and you're really struggling to stir it up, then just put it aside somewhere where it's safe and away from children and leave it to sit in the water. This seems to soften the stabiliser and make it easier to stir. It's not going to dissolve in the bucket, it's just going to become a slurry so that you're able to pour it down the skimmer. Now, when you're doing this, you always have the pump running. So you're pouring the slurry in through the skimmer. It goes down through the skimmer and it will get stuck in your filter. While it's in the filter, it's just sitting there, and as the water passes over the stabiliser, it's gradually dissolving and moving out into the swimming pool water. So important with this product particularly, no backwashing for say 36 hours after you've added it to the pool, because it's still sitting in the filter and dissolving. If you do a backwash, you're essentially putting it down the drain. Now if you don't have a skimmer, there is a liquid stabiliser available which is pre-dissolved, and you can add this directly to the pool. It needs a really good shake prior to addition because the contents may have settled. So there you are, stabiliser for use in pools where you're not using a stabilised chlorine.